Hello guys, so today is very nice weather here in Canada. It's Thursday. Yeah, it's sunny, so this is our time to do our gardening. We need to fix our flower beds, so I will show you guys. So ito na siya. Ayan, kailangan namin yung ayusin para maganda dahil nasira yan noong renovate dito sa bahay. Nagpapintura kami kasi nasisira, inaapakan sa mga nagtrabaho dito sa bahay before. So ayan na guys, ayan ang pintura sa bahay. So ngayon magandang weather, so kailangan akong kikilo sa bahay para spring cleaning ba. Katin ako ng mga branches. Sa magandang weather, yan. Maganda ang mood sa kabutingting dito sa backyard. Hello guys, happy spring! Spring cleaning. So let's go, samahan niyo ako maglilinis sa backyard namin. So, ang daming lilinisin. You heard the birds? They are happy like me. Okay, let's go! Pero, pagkita ko sa inyo muna kung anong ginagawa ko. Really blue sky today. It's really nice. So, yan na guys. Ito na yung bulaklak namin. Pangalan nitong bulaklak na to, rhododendron. Anong B? So, dito gagawin ko yung vegetable garden again. That's for my ampalaya. This one I need to clean. I'm not done. While still dead, so I need to cut this. The grass easier for me to clean. So this is what I'm doing right now in our backyard. It's a spring cleaning while the kids are in the school, and Jason gonna be doing maybe we can do the tractor here for the lawnmower. So this is what I'm doing here. Mine to do like for preparation for my garden, for vegetable gardens there. So I cut some of the branches. I will keep some that already dried for our bonfire. That one, and this one here I need to throw this one in the dump site. So I'm in the halfway. But anyway, that's the neighbor gonna do. I think they'll do the making their garage. It's really beautiful day in Canada right now. It's sunny, so I'm so glad that I can do my spring cleaning. A few days ago it's raining. So this is, I'm gonna clean. Hi Kona, this is my guard. Hello. Here, this one here I'm gonna dig up to clean for my garden. So spring cleaning. So there you go. It's a beautiful day. I need to enjoy the weather. So this one here I need to do the leaf blower. Look at that. This is from the tree. See? So I need to do a blower. This is easy job. And then here, Jason and I, maybe weekend, we can fix our bricks, put some mortar so we can nicer flower beds. So much, lots of work. So there's no birds there yet. Anyway, lots of work, but I love the weather. Hi Kona, Lucky. Yes, you thirsty? Oh, where's your drinks? Oh, you need more drinks. Okay. Okay. Mommy have lots of work today.